Hello guys, so I'll be doing a worked solution for a grade 12 maths paper 1 question paper. So you have 150 marks for grab here. So the first question is the solve for x1. So you should try and do it relatively quickly because these ones tend to be straightforward. You have x squared plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. The first thing you do is look at if there are any common factors, which there aren't. So you have to factorize this. So the first, if you think about what the factors for x squared, that's x times x, which gives you x squared for 6. And you have to think about the common factors. You either can choose 3 and 2, or you can choose 6 and 1, because 3 times 2 gives you 6, and 6 times 1 gives you 6. But then you see here you have a negative. So here you have a negative sign, right? So which means that these two terms must be different. Why? So that you can be able to get back to this negative sign. If they were the same, you'll have a positive sign. And now you want to choose between these two factors, which ones to choose, right? And then here you have a positive 5x. So you want something that can, because you're going to have to subtract some terms together to get back to a positive 5x. 6 minus 1 works out. This is, if you minus these two, you get to what? Get 5. If you add these two, you get 5. But then you see, because you know that you have to subtract these two. So we choose the 6 and 1. Now you have to answer. You have to decide whether you put the 6 here or this side. But then this is a positive 5x. So you want the bigger number to be positive, the smaller number to be 1. Then you're gonna have a 6x minus x, which gives you positive 5x. So you can quickly distribute that out to check it, or you can take it on faith. But I'll suggest you should definitely check it, but then you have to remember to conclude. So x is equal to 1 or x is equal to negative 6. So I always like to kind of just check this quickly so you can be sure that you've gotten those 3 marks. So if you substitute 1 here, so you have 1 squared plus 5 times 1. This becomes 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So okay, you can be happy with this one. Secondly, you have negative 6, right? You're going to put it there. Negative 6 squared, that gives you a positive 36. So positive 36. 5 times a negative 6, that's a negative 30. So your 36 minus 30, that's 6. Minus 6, you get your 0 again. So this 2 is correct. Then you move over to the next question.